be fake, twisted steak. Yeah, buddy. Don't be a bro, clean as you go. Woo, yeah, thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition. Check it out. I'm just in my kitchen again. We got some steak and eggs going. I'm scrambling up the eggs. Remember, we're substituting eggs for our vegetable that went limp. Sorry. And again, we're talking about hands-off approach. Hands-off approach, meaning I cooked some corn, but it wasn't processed. It was straight an ear of corn because I'm trying to take hands off of my food, right? I'll do the hands-on, and how many sets of hands can we eliminate from the process? Yes, fast food has its place. Yes, gourmet restaurants have their place, but a chef and the wait service staff can all be extra hands on the food, which you better have some good trust, you feel me? But anyway, let's go ahead, finish off this recipe. And the reason why I use eggs for a hack is because they got a lot of nutrition. Yes, I'm going to do my supplement smoothie, okay? And yeah, steak and eggs, breakfast. The reason why is simple. You need to eat, and you need to eat as healthy as possible. I'm sure you can go find a lot of what and how out there. What to cook steak, how to cook it, salt, pepper, rosemary. But the why is what I wanted to talk about today. So again, the philosophy here, hands-off approach. Woo! Don't be a bro, clean as you go. Making a little corn egg omelet. So, why do I use corn? It's for fiber. Fiber. You need fiber. And again, shout out to Aldi's. Shop differently. They got a lot of good deals, fam. Multitasker, question asker. Little scramble, low heat. Try not to burn the nutrition out of them. Get it popping in here. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Sorry, steak. I didn't mean to take you off the fire. Alright, so remember I added that corn to my egg scramble and it looks just about done. So I'm going to go ahead and let that cool down. But I can put a cover on it. You feel me? Booyaka, booyaka. Remember, don't be a bro, clean as you go. Just enough time to hit the kettlebell. Yeah. Look at that. This is a bicep work or the grocery lift here. Feel me? You can use a 25-pound bag of rice. But either way, you want to get it nice, baby. Get it nice. You feel me? See how these steaks are turning out. Wow. Ooh. Now, about it. Time to plate it. I'm sure you could have probably still dealt with this, all right? But right now I wasn't in the mood to deal with it, okay? So I just said a quick hack, a little substitute, using an egg. Wow, oh man, let's go. Let's go. That's 2 eggs, 1 for each arm. Okay? And then we got a little steak right here. Woo! Yeah! Thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition, baby. Have a good day. Have a good steak.